Hello friends, welcome to Prime Top 10. In today's segment, we delve into the recent arrest of former US President Donald Trump and the implications of the criminal charges against him. Join us as we explore the reasons behind Trump's arrest and the potential consequences he faces, including the possibility of spending the rest of his life in jail. For the first time in the 250-year history of the USA, criminal charges have been applied to a US president, resulting in his arrest. Donald Trump has made history. There are 34 sanctions on Trump, with each sanction carrying a punishment of 4 years. It has been said that the maximum potential punishment is 136 years if these sanctions are proven against him in court. This means that Trump could spend the rest of his life in jail.
Donald Trump has been charged with 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. First, the nation is awaiting a potential criminal indictment of former President Donald Trump.
Former US President Donald Trump says he expects to be arrested.
Former US President Donald Trump in his criminal trial over the coming weeks.
Donald Trump arrested and charged with business fraud.
And Donald Trump has been arrested.
Let's delve into the truth behind this fascinating story. The story of Trump's arrest begins with an affair that Trump denies ever occurred. In 2006, Donald Trump and Melania Trump were already married for 1 year, and Trump was hosting his TV show. During this time, he met the adult actress Stormy Daniels at a golf tournament in Sevardá, where they had an affair. Fast forward 10 years. When Trump stood for the general elections, Stormy Daniels attempted to disclose their affair to the world. She tried to sell the story to various media outlets. Enter the National Enquirer, a celebrity gossip and entertainment newspaper owned by the media organization American Media, Inc., AMI, whose CEO is David Pecker. Due to Trump's closeness to Pecker, the National Enquirer purchased the story but chose not to publish it. This tactic is known as catch and kill, where negative news about Trump is bought by the newspaper but not published. Essentially, the person with the news sells exclusive rights to the newspaper, which prevents them from disclosing it elsewhere. A concrete example of this strategy is the case of Dino Sajudin, a doorman at Trump Tower. In the 1980s, Sajudin allegedly witnessed Trump having an affair with a married woman and fathering a child with her. Despite Sajudin sharing this story in 2015, AMI purchased the rights to it and kept it from being published. Another incident occurred between 2006 and 2007 when Trump allegedly had an affair with another actress named Karen McDougal. This news was also bought by the National Enquirer, which paid $150,000 to McDougal and never published the story. Returning to the case of Daniels, 1 month before the 2016 elections, the infamous "Grab Him" tape involving Trump was leaked, tarnishing his reputation. At this time, the National Enquirer offered Daniels $130,000 for exclusive rights to her story. Despite delays in payment, orchestrated by Trump's lawyer Michael Cohen, the money was eventually transferred to Daniels through a shell company. While Trump denied the affair, the payment to Daniels raised questions. In court, Cohen admitted to making the payment, resulting in his 3-year jail sentence. Notably, the hush payment itself is not a crime in America. However, Cohen was sentenced for other offenses, including 5 counts of tax evasion, making false statements to banks, and unlawful corporate contributions, all related to political contributions. As for Trump, the charges against him include falsifying transaction records and bank accounts, falsifying business records, and mismanaging funds. Specifically, Trump has been charged 34 times for falsifying records, including 11 instances of incorrect invoices, 11 instances of false checks and check stubs, and 12 instances of false general ledger entries. In essence, these charges stem from discrepancies in financial transactions related to hush payments made to Daniels and Cohen. Even though his lawyer agreed in court that he did this, Trump said his lawyer was lying, and that Cohen agreed to things while Trump disagreed. The charge against Trump is that, when he paid Daniels, he portrayed this payment as routine, but it was not. Hence it's termed falsifying business records. Now, another twist in the story is that according to New York state law, falsifying records is considered a crime when done to conceal another crime. Now, what is the primary crime here of Trump? This was indicated in court hearings, but according to experts, the primary crime could be Cohen's conviction for tax crimes, which Trump tried to cover up. Additionally, there were allegations of voter manipulation and catch and kill tactics to suppress negative news. If the cases reach the Supreme Court, there are many chances that Trump may not face punishment. This is because in America, a disadvantageous rule is that the president selects Supreme Court judges, and Trump appointed these judges during his tenure. Therefore, it's speculated whether they would rule against Trump. However, the final authority lies with federal law, and in this case, the case of Trump falls under New York state law. One aspect that could favor Trump is that if the falsifying business record charge exceeds 5 years, the person should not be punished. However, Trump made his last payment to Cohen in December 2017, so 5 years have passed, but the 5-year limitation might not apply because Trump spent 4 years in the White House and has been residing in Florida since. Therefore, there's a chance he could face punishment. An interesting aspect is that Melania Trump cannot make any statements regarding these situations. Most media websites report that Melania feels embarrassed by the whole situation and is aware of Trump's affairs. On January 19, 2023, the court fined Trump $1 million for lying in court. The judge ruled that he misused the courts. What do you think about Trump? Is this crime legal or not? And if it is legal, will Trump face such a significant punishment? Let me know in the comment box. Until then, be happy and enjoy. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for further interesting videos. Thank you for watching Prime Top 10. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.